welcome back to BUONAPAPPA. Today we're going to prepare a lovely baby breakfast recipe that, to be sincere, it's lovely for the whole family. My kids, 7 and 9, still love it every time that I prepare it. And also, it's so quick to prepare that it's perfect for breakfast when you usually don't have a lot of time. We're going to prepare together banana French toast. This is a recipe that is appropriate for babies starting from 6 months of age. And if you're following the baby-led weaning method, this is a perfect one. Let's start together. In a bowl, you need to mash the banana with a fork, and it's very important that you pick up a very ripe banana. So the more brown dots the banana has, the better will be. Add the egg, add also the hemp seeds and the spices and mix. And I'm adding hemp seeds to this recipe. I mean, to be sincere, I add hemp seeds to many recipes because they are loaded with omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids that they are essential for your baby's brain development. So every time I can, I add hemp seeds in my recipes, and I really suggest you to do it too. We will start taking one slice of toast bread, and we're going to cut the slice in small squares. So as small as your baby will be able to handle. So those are baby size small squares. And of course, if you have a toddler, maybe instead of squares, you can just cut out sticks. And if you're serving it to an adult, just leave the slice of bread like that. So the size is in relation to the age of who is going to enjoy the toast. Add the bread to the banana and egg mix and coat it all over. Grease a skillet with a teaspoon of coconut oil and add the bread pieces one next to the other. And cook at medium-low heat for 2 minutes on each side. It's finished, the recipe is done. That's how easy and simple it is to prepare this lovely banana French toast for babies. You can serve them warm, all together maybe with some fresh fruit, or if you want, a drizzle of maple syrup. And if you have any leftover, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day, 1 day and a half, and you can simply reheat them in the microwave for 10 seconds and it will be ready to be enjoyed. This is a lovely on-the-go idea, and I would suggest, if it's hot outside, to place the French toast squares in a small container in a thermos with some ice packs all around to keep them fresh. I really hope your little ones will enjoy this recipe. I hope your whole family will enjoy this recipe. If you're looking for a similar one, breakfast ideas for little ones, I have a lovely compilation that I will place in the link here below. If you want to check all the ingredients list and the measurements, there is a link to my blog here below. That's where you will find all the numbers. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BUONAPAPPA if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!